cognitive processes they were looking at specifically, it could have an inhibition or attention, actually. So if anybody is familiar with that literature, I want to share it with the rest of the class. But I don't think having a specific number is too useful. It's interesting. I mean, you can share it and you can tell people about that.
Well, I mean, just because we're talking about like decline, but is there like a period where your memory gets better for a while, or I guess different?
Teenage. Well, as you're growing up.
Sorry, everyone
Yes.
else here probably knows this, but I don't know nothing about it.
When you're, when you're really little, it's really hard to test your memory right away as well. But as you get older, by your teenage years, probably that's when a lot of the development really is going on. Early childhood and all the way up until teenage. Some of you in the room may actually be doing more research on memory and may be able to help us out. Okay, but I think probably if you're talking about when is it really going uphill, probably early adolescence. So yes, it does overlap. Some of it is normal, some of it is abnormal. Change, somebody talked about change earlier today. Change can be a signal, a sign that something's going on. If you see very drastic change happening, it can be an indication of something going on. Whereas if somebody tells you when she was 23 or 26 that she loses her key at least once a week, maybe she'll still be doing the same thing by the time she's 62, and that's fine, because that's just a general pattern, and probably people around her will help her out. If we're talking about somebody who has been doing really, really well her entire life, and all of a sudden she cannot write her own name, that could be a problem. So, but I'm going to leave the abnormal part to Dr. Knight when he returns. At some point he's going to talk about those things. Do you have any questions related to the basic models and theories, readings? Is it okay to let you go at 4:05? Okay, thank you very much for paying attention today. I hope you got at least the take-home messages. As Steve says,